Hey guys, I am at the Goodwill Bins. It is my first time getting out of the house this week. The vintage drop is live on the website. If you have not checked it out, been working on that nonstop. And exciting news, I got a YouTube video done. It is going up tomorrow, so y'all definitely be on the lookout for that. It has been 3 weeks since I got a YouTube video up, so I am happy to be back. OMG, look at this beautiful coral. What are these things? I need a basket. Look at this. That's so pretty, and there's two of them. There's two of them. Wow, this is very exciting right off the bat. All right, this is a really exciting start to our shopping day. Let's see what else we can find. A little brass saxophone. Oh, it's a pencil sharpener, and I think it's plastic. Looks brass, does not feel like brass. What's this down here? Oh, that's cute. I don't need any more coffee mugs though. There's a snake in here. Not real, don't worry. All right, let's go over here. Check the walls first. You know what would make this shopping trip even better is if they changed out the walls while I was here. I love when that happens. Some milk glass with marble. Little lamp. What's this picture right here? Pink heart. Some glass pieces. What is this? I think it's a box. It's a little wooden box that says Paris on it. I think it's from Hobby Lobby. It's a little ceramic piece. A little heart. I mean, a cross. Stuff is cute, but not really speaking to me. I find so much good stuff. I really try to be picky about what I bring home. Little salt and pepper shaker. There's lots of glass here today. Little owl cup. This is iron. Looks like it's broken right there. Here's some little crochet pieces. Look how cute. Little bear. Look, the pink bear. Oh, Ren needs that. Look how adorable. It's missing eyes, but I feel like it's okay, right? Look at the whales. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna get the whales. Oh, that's a head of some sort. Oh, look, the little bunny rabbit. Oh, I could put these in their Easter baskets. Look how cute. Ryan would like this one. Is this a pink whale? We'll give Ryan the pink whale. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get these and I'm gonna put these in my kids' Easter baskets. So cute. Coral has some big breaks in it, so I'm gonna put it back, but it does have the price on here. It was originally $40, so definitely pick these up if y'all find them at the thrift store. They are expensive brand new. If I was keeping it for myself, I probably just wouldn't worry about it because I feel like you can't really tell. But I really don't need any more coral. I have a lot, so I'm gonna leave it here. Oh no, they've taken away some bins that I didn't dig through yet. At least that means they're going to bring out some new ones. Let's dig through these real quick. Here's a little silver pot. I don't know. I'm not really crazy about it. Just some little regular pots and pans. Little monkey. Ooh, a finial. Oh, this one's plastic. Y'all see what I see? Look at all these spindles. It's $12.99 for this piece. Probably just unscrew. Have some nice age to them already. Should I get this piece right here for the spindles for $13? I saw this piece and I wasn't sure what it was, but I think it might be for Reese. But I love the look of these rings. I was trying to see if I could take them apart to just use the ring, but I think it would just unravel this. But how cute would that be as a little frame, and then you could put a picture in the middle or stamp or something like that. That'd be great little Christmas ornaments. But I don't think it's gonna work out, so I'm gonna leave it here. But I was excited when I spotted it. All right. had some good luck when I first walked in, but I hadn't really found too much other stuff. Here's some lace, and I see half of an Avon girl, or a piece of an Avon girl, but I don't see anything else. I have a lot of kids in here today. I'm not sure why. Here's some more lace. That's fringe. I don't think I need any of that. They have lots of artwork right now. Some very, very large pieces. They have that one over there that's huge. And then I like that they have these two vertical frames. So it's a great place to look for artwork. And if you are frames, like if you don't like the artwork, you could put your own artwork in it and just use the frames. Look how cute this is. Let's see, I'm trying to put it up where I could show y'all both of them at the same time. I love this. Oh, these are adorable, and I love the artwork that's in them. Oh yeah, we're gonna get these. I'm trying to get a peek at this piece back here. I really love the watercolor in it, the florals, but I don't need any more artwork in my house, so I'm gonna pass on that. I'm just gonna take these two pieces now. The question is, should I keep the frames gold, or should I paint them maybe pink, maybe white? I don't know. Y'all leave a comment and let me know. When I'm not having luck in the hard goods, I start looking through the clothes. Look at this little vineyard vines pattern pants that I found. It's a size 0, so I think it might fit Ryan. I'm not sure if she'll wear it, but I figured, you know, we get it, see what happens. Y'all, this is the softest sweatshirt I've ever felt. It's white. It's kind of like a long tunic, size medium. I don't recognize this brand, but it feels good. And then this piece is from a boutique. It was originally $50. It still has the tags on it. It's like a long linen shirt. So this is perfect for year round because I could wear it, you know, with leggings. That's my style. Or over the summer, I could use it and leave it open. And I think that would be a cute look. So I'm going to get these 3 pieces. All right, I'm taking out some more bins. Hopefully they bring some good stuff back, because the last ones were all clothing. Look at this piece. It's heavy metal, but it's, I don't know, it's very damaged. It's like it's been put in a fire pit or something, so I think I'm gonna leave that here. Look what I just found. Some purse handles. Man, I wish I could find a whole bin of these. These little vintage ornaments. They still package from the store. Okay, I'm gonna get that. What else is in this bin? Look how cute that is. Love that. That would be perfect on a little tiered tray. It's a little miniature piece of decor. Here's a little vintage angry Santa. You definitely gotta get him. What is this thing? He's flat. I feel like I can leave him behind. Some beads. Man, this bin is full of old stuff. I feel like I used to make these, I think. There's a bunch of them. Little angel, but she's missing arms and her wings are broken. There's some little heads. Is that what this is? I don't know. It's kind of weird. Might have to open that one up and see what they look like. Some little animals, some little wooden animals. Okay, let me open this up and see what these are. Okay, so it's these little heads like this, and they're attached to pipe cleaners. They're all together. It says made in Japan. I don't know, I feel like somebody's gonna want this, so I'm gonna go ahead and rescue it. And then I found the little elf to go with the Santa, and they also have little wires attached to them, so I'm thinking these things maybe went in something as a decor, maybe like a Christmas basket or something. I'm not sure, but these are some really great little vintage finds. Alright guys, I think that is going to be it for today's shopping trip. It started off strong, but then it kind of went downhill from there. So right off the bat, I got these two amazing wall pockets. Love these. Got these two little vintage prints. I got some clothes, and then I got these little Christmas vintage finds, and that is it for today. So I hope y'all enjoyed this shopping trip at the bins. Oh, and all the new bins they brought out, it was nothing but clothing. I didn't find anything in them, so I'm gonna head out. But oh, did I miss this big salmon? Was this here before? Look how huge this thing is. It's ceramic, but it is hollow, and that would be a nightmare ship. So we're gonna leave him here for somebody else. So I'll be back at the bins real soon. I hope y'all have a great day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Okay, I'm in line to check out, and I just spotted this quilt. I love the colors. I don't see any major stains. I think I'm gonna get this. What y'all think? Should I rescue her? Great, I decided to leave the quilt because I was looking more closely at it and I found some huge stains. So we're gonna leave it here.